So we are going to make a candle, or candles. We'll see how we go. We have been collecting over the course of however many months bits of beeswax from our beehives. Now of course you don't have to have your own beehive to make a candle. If you've got, I mean you can actually buy beeswax, but even if you've got some old candles, last time we did it we used a whole heap of old little tea light candles where the wick had burnt down and there was still a heap of wax around the outside. You can poke it.
Can we chew it?
And no, you can't chew it. So now as for the wick, you can use an old shoelace, but also we've made one in the past and we actually used a bit of tightly rolled toilet paper as the wick. Any kind of paper, cotton, butcher's twine apparently is absolutely perfect, but I have also heard, I haven't tried shoelace before, but apparently shoelace works well, so that's what we're going to try. So, you know, we'll see how we go. So, we'll start melting this stuff down, shall we? Why is there never scissors here, guys? Quick, scissors. Where did you put them?
Scissors.
Thank you. Where were they?
In the bathroom.
Why were they in the bathroom? I'm going to cut the little plastic end off. Obviously, you don't want to be burning that. So, I'm going to use, I found this cute little jar. I thought I'll turn that into a candle. Maybe if we've got a bit left over we might look at making a little tea lighty type thingy. Now, I'm going to cut a bit more than what I think I need. You guys aren't fighting down there with your feet this friendly, are you?
Please play fighting with me.
So,
yes.
going to tie the shoelace onto here just so it holds it steady while the wax is drying.
No, I should see.
What I've actually done, I should have brought the camera over, because there's all sorts of little bitty bits in from when I was boiling it, and so it's just a nice liquid in here now. I just sieved it, I just chucked it into a different pan and just sieved out all the icky bits.
No,
Here.
It's going to be enough. It will.
What do you reckon? Shall I do that just so we can do a little one for you, Sam?
yeah.
There you go, I'll blue tack that in place. Or I could have made a crisscross with 2 sticks, couldn't I? Look at them. Are they not cool? Now, we'll take these sticks off. Just change location because there's stuff going on in the kitchen at the moment. Excuse the crackly noise, we've got pumpkin roasting on the fireplace.
Twilight is here. Twilight is here.
Right, now the test. Right. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Can I smell it?
You smell it? It hasn't even got down to the
Waxy.
yet, but probably
Mum, try to turn the lights off.
Can I turn the light off?
Look. How cool does that look? Go on then, someone turn the lights off.
Yeah, turn the other off.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going. Oh yeah, maybe. No, it's gone. That one is gone. I remelted this wax and I'm going to try using tissue paper because on last time we did this we used toilet paper and it actually worked really well. We've still got the toilet paper wick candle. So I'm just going to do that again. I'll get my piece of tissue and I'm going to roll it. And roll it. And roll it. We're going to blue tack this to there. See if this, yeah, the shoelace disappointed me. I thought that seemed like such a cool idea and it just didn't work. But sometimes you got to try these things. I've heard also that old pieces of fabric will work, like old t-shirts and that sort of thing.
But you don't believe him?
Well, I don't know, it's just that this seemed like a good snip, snippety snip. Thank you. Scissors, that's the word. Attempt number 2. The tissue paper wick candles. Now, I went with that because this is the one we made previously, which has actually worked quite a few times, quite successfully. This is one that a while back we melted down a heap of old candles that had burnt down. So I thought, well, okay, so that's worked. First time in a while we've tried lighting that, but look at that. You might not be able to see it, but I'll show you. Right, let's see. Is this gonna work? The shoelace definitely burnt a bit and then it just kind of stopped.
Well, looking at one.
Showing promise. A little one. Let's try the big one. Don't see why it won't work. Do not bump the table, you. Look at that. Beautiful. Look, we made candles and they work out of tissue paper. There we go.
But yeah, one's definitely going fire.
Now there's only one thing for it. Who's going to blow out the candles?
Me!
1, 2, 3. Yay!